So guys, quickly explaining you the logic of the entry what I made for the short sale was very simple. So I took a yesterday support and resistance level and hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, today is 28th of April and the time is around 9:12 now. So let's see how the pre-open market is opening. So going to the pre-open market and the market is opening at 14,710.50, that is 0.39% up. So bit of a gap up here and advanced stocks of 44 and declines are 5 and unchanged is only one stock. Okay, so let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap up section, that is Axis Bank with 1.21% up and Eicher Motors with 1.16% up. Now let me see the stock which is opening the most gap down section, that is Britannia with 1.50% down and HDFC Bank with 0.17% down. So yes, this is how the pre-open market is looking today. So just in few minutes I will be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today. So stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also if you're new to my stock market trading and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and get all the details. You can watch the video till the end to learn more about the things. And also guys, there is a offer from Upstock. So if you open your Upstock account from the link given in the description below of this video, you will get a free trading account. You don't need to pay any money. For free you will get a Upstock trading account, and if you open today you get more offers. Okay, you get free 1 month trading with zero brokerage. There's been no brokerage charge from your side. There will be free trading for 1 month and you will get zero brokerage. Okay, there is no brokerage charges on stocks, mutual fund, digital gold, IPO and NFO. Okay, so whatever you trade, whether in future and option or equity, stock, long term or short term or anything you trade, if you open your account today for the next 1 month full, you don't have to pay any brokerage charges. So it's free account. You can click the link in the description below of this video and click on and make a free account and also trade for free. Okay, so once you open your Upstock account by using the link given in the description below of this video, you will be added to my Telegram channel where I share some of the stock market facts and news. So guys, I've entered Axis Bank short sell around 703 and now it's around 701 now. So let's wait for the stock to come down. So Axis Bank short sell, we are holding it. So guys, as you know, I already short sold at 703 and now it's at 698. So my target was around 697. So let's see if I can exit there. So actually in quick movement at the morning itself, 697 has been touched here, but the order didn't execute there because it was very quick movement. So I'll just try to exit now somewhere around 698 or somewhere. So we'll see how it will perform. So waiting for 698 to break. So yes guys, it's around 697 now, so I shall take my exit. So it was a very quick move here, as you guys can see. So the market is going up, but still our stock is coming down, if you guys can see at the top right side. So the Nifty is almost 0.60% up here, but our stock is continuing to fall down. Yes, 695 now, so I shall book my profit. So guys, quickly explaining you the logic of the entry, what I made for the short sale was very simple. So I took a yesterday support and resistance level, and it opened above the resistance level of yesterday's high. I mean, it opened above the yesterday's high, and if the stock would have sustained here in 5 minutes candle, like if it was breaking high and if it was going up, I could have taken a buy entry once this candle gets high, if the candle like gets break here, but it didn't do that. It was coming to fall down. Okay, so it took as a resistance here, it didn't take as a support here. Okay, so if the stock continues to go up from this line, that is above 705, that would be a support line for this, but it was a resistance line today. Okay, the sellers came in. Okay, there was a huge number of sellers difference here. The buyers were 7 lakh and the sellers were 17 lakh. So that's why I decided to go a short selling on 703 itself, and from there the stock continuously fell down and we booked a profit today. So this was a logic of the trade. This was a very quick trade, as you guys can see. Within few minutes and within few seconds it gave a target. Now the time is around 9:40 now, and we have already booked our target for the today. So let me show you the profit. So let me go to positions, and yes, so this was a profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Axis Bank. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all these techniques and strategies and picking the stock and all these logics, you can join my course today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. So if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we did with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today and want to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.